In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Tasks app. By the end, you'll have the app installed on your Android phone and ready to help you stay organized. First, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to get Google Tasks. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and search for Play Store there. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top. Type Google Tasks, then pause for a moment to let the results load. You're looking for the official app named Google Tasks. It will show as the app from Google, and you'll recognize it as part of the Google family. This ensures you're downloading the genuine, secure version. Tap the Google Tasks app from the results to open its store page. Here, you can quickly glance at the description and screenshots if you want to confirm it's the right app. When you're ready, tap Install. The download will begin right away. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection, so a stable Wi-Fi connection can make this go faster and help you avoid using mobile data. If your storage is nearly full, consider freeing up a little space so the installation can complete smoothly. You'll see a progress bar as the app downloads and installs. When it finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open. That's it. The app is now installed and ready to use immediately. You'll also find the Google Tasks icon added to your home screen or app drawer, making it easy to access later. With Google Tasks on your phone, you can create and manage simple to-do lists so nothing slips through the cracks. Add tasks for work, school, or personal errands, and organize them into separate lists to keep everything tidy. You can set due dates and reminders to get gentle nudges at the right time, which is especially helpful for deadlines and daily routines. Best of all, your tasks sync across your devices and Google services, so edits on your phone will appear alongside your email in Gmail and in Google Calendar, helping you see what needs to be done in the context of your day. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for Google Tasks, select the official app, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and tap Open. You're all set to start organizing your day with a simple, reliable tool.